Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your routine doesn't have to be complicated. Below are 7 flavorful dinner ideas that balance lean proteins, healthy fats, and nutrient-rich vegetables. Each dish includes a list of ingredients and simple instructions so you can enjoy the benefits of this heart-healthy diet all week. Day 1. Portobello mushroom pizzas with arugula salad. This low-carb, gluten-free pizza uses large portobello mushrooms as a base, making it both healthy and satisfying. Ingredients: 4 large portobello mushrooms, 1 or 2 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1-2 red bell pepper, sliced, 1-2 red onion, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup sliced black olives, arugula, olive oil, and lemon juice for salad. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Celsius, 190 degrees Celsius. Remove the mushroom stems and scoop out the gills with a spoon. 2. Place the mushrooms on a baking sheet and brush them lightly with olive oil. 3. Spread marinara sauce over the mushrooms and top with cheese, bell peppers, onions, and olives. 4. Bake for 12-15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 5. Toss the arugula with olive oil and lemon juice and serve alongside the mushroom pizzas. Portobello mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and potassium, supporting heart health. Pairing the pizzas with a refreshing arugula salad adds fiber, vitamins A and C, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Day 2. Padma Lakshmi's Tandoori Chicken Salad. This fusion of Indian and Mediterranean flavors features yogurt-marinated chicken with a refreshing salad. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 tsp turmeric, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp paprika, 4 cups mixed greens, 1 cucumber, sliced. Yogurt lemon dressing, yogurt, lemon juice, salt, and olive oil. 1. In a bowl, mix yogurt, garlic, turmeric, cumin, and paprika. Coat the chicken in the marinade and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. 2. Grill or bake the chicken at 375 degrees, 190 degrees, for 20 to 25 minutes until fully cooked. 3. Slice the chicken and serve it over mixed greens with cucumber slices. Drizzle yogurt lemon dressing on top. Tandoori spices are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Greek yogurt provides probiotics and calcium, aiding digestion and bone health. The combination of lean protein and greens makes this salad nutrient-dense and filling. Day 3. Walnut rosemary crusted salmon. This elegant dish combines the richness of salmon with the crunch of a walnut and rosemary crust. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 2-cup walnuts finely chopped, 1 TBSP fresh rosemary chopped, 1 TBSP olive oil, lemon wedges for serving. 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. 2. Brush the salmon fillets with olive oil and press the walnut rosemary mixture onto the top. 3. Bake for 12-15 minutes until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. 4. Serve with lemon wedges and a side of steamed vegetables or couscous. Salmon is a star of the Mediterranean diet, known for promoting heart health due to its high omega-3 content. Walnuts provide additional healthy fats and support brain health. Day 4. Cheesy spinach and artichoke stuffed spaghetti squash. This dish offers the comfort of a creamy pasta without the carbs, thanks to spaghetti squash. Ingredients: 1 large spaghetti squash, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 cup artichoke hearts, chopped, 1 2-cup shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup grated parmesan, 2 garlic cloves, minced, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Celsius, 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the squash in half, scoop out the seeds, and brush with olive oil. Roast for 40-45 minutes. 2. Scrape the squash's flesh with a fork to create strands. 3. In a skillet, sauté garlic, spinach, and artichokes. Mix in the mozzarella and parmesan. 4. Stuff the squash halves with the spinach mixture and bake for an additional 10 minutes. This low-carb meal is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K from spinach and antioxidants from artichokes. Swapping spaghetti squash for pasta also reduces refined carbohydrates, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Day 5. Skillet chicken with orzo and tomatoes. This one-pan dinner is quick, delicious, and packed with Mediterranean flavors. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, 1 cup orzo pasta, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 TBSP olive oil, fresh basil or parsley for garnish. 1. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a skillet and cook the chicken until golden brown. Set aside. 2. In the same skillet, sauté garlic and tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Add the orzo and 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and let it simmer until the orzo is tender. 4. Return the chicken to the skillet and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh herbs and serve. Chicken provides lean protein to keep you energized, while orzo offers complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced risks of heart disease and cancer. Day 6. Feta and roasted red pepper stuffed chicken breasts. These stuffed chicken breasts are bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1 to 4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1.4 cup roasted red peppers, chopped, 1 TSP dried oregano, 1 TBSP olive oil. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees. 2. Slice the chicken breasts horizontally to create a pocket. 3. Mix the feta, roasted peppers, and oregano. Stuff the mixture into the chicken breasts and secure with toothpicks. 4. Brush the chicken with olive oil and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Feta is a lower-fat cheese option that adds a salty, tangy flavor to the dish. Red peppers are packed with vitamins A and C, supporting immune function. This high-protein dish helps keep you full and satisfied. Day 7. Charred shrimp, pesto, and quinoa bowls. This colorful dish features protein-rich shrimp and quinoa topped with homemade basil pesto. Ingredients: 1 lobby shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 cup quinoa, 1 cup basil leaves, 1 4-cup pine nuts, 1 4-cup grated parmesan, 1 4-cup olive oil, roasted vegetables, zucchini, bell peppers. 1. Cook the quinoa according to package instructions. 2. In a food processor, blend basil, pine nuts, parmesan, and olive oil to make pesto. 3. Sauté the shrimp in olive oil until slightly charred. 4. Assemble the bowls by layering quinoa, shrimp, roasted vegetables, and a drizzle of pesto. Shrimp provides lean protein and essential minerals like selenium. Quinoa is a complete protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids. Basil in pesto is a rich source of vitamin K and has anti-inflammatory effects. These 7 Mediterranean dinners are packed with fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and essential nutrients. Following this meal plan ensures variety, making it easier to stick to a healthy lifestyle. Enjoy these simple and delicious recipes that will nourish your body and inspire your love for Mediterranean cuisine.